Looking up at the sky, searching for Allah Most High, he rejected the way of worshipping gods of clay. Prophet Ibrahim knew that Allah was near, and that the heart of a Muslim is sincere.
Brother Charles, so I will ask you a little bit some questions about your embrace in here. For the first, can you present yourself?
Yes, my name's Ashley, and I converted to Islam last October, and this gentleman, Batassim's helped me along the way.
Where are you working?
And I work for IEC, and it's an IT company.
Okay, good. What are the engineer or what is
Consultant.
Consultant.
Okay.
Good. What is the reason that you became a Muslim? What is the point that reached your heart to be a Muslim from Christianity?
Because of the kindness of the people here, of the kindness and of Batassim, and of the decency, and because the religion.
Now, our boss, Sheikh Saleh Abdelegan, he will repeat some few words in Arabic. This is a testify that we do it in the room when we sit together. So you make this testify. Maybe you're wondering why we're doing this one twice or thrice. As Muslim, we can do it anytime, and every day we should do it. But it will be official for you, inshallah, about this testify.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. الحمد لله الذي شرح صدر الإسلام. نحمد الله.
Looking up at the sky, searching for Allah Most High, he rejected the way of worshipping gods of clay. Prophet Ibrahim knew that Allah was near, and that the heart of a Muslim is sincere. Under the hot burning sun, he declared God is one, though with